Most people get this wrong when choosing a CRM for a water damage restoration business. They pick a system designed for general contractors, then wonder why jobs get delayed, leads slip through the cracks, and emergency calls turn into lost revenue. Here's the truth no one tells you. In restoration, speed matters more than almost anything else. The best CRM is not the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you respond faster, schedule jobs efficiently, and keep customers informed during stressful situations. In this video, you'll learn which CRM options stand out in 2026, what features actually matter, and how to choose the right platform for your restoration business. Let's get straight into it. For most water damage restoration companies, the top priority should be lead management and dispatching. Imagine John owns a restoration company. A homeowner discovers a flooded basement at 2 a.m. If John's CRM automatically captures the lead, alerts the team, and assigns the nearest technician, he wins the job before competitors even answer the phone. That's why many restoration businesses are looking at service-focused CRMs, rather than generic sales CRMs. One of the strongest options in 2026 is Jobber. It offers scheduling, quoting, invoicing, customer communication, and technician management in one system. It's especially useful for small to mid-sized restoration companies that need simplicity and speed. But here's the problem. As your business grows, job complexity increases. You may need advanced automation, sales pipelines, and detailed reporting. This is where platforms like ServiceTitan become interesting. ServiceTitan is built for larger field service businesses and provides powerful dispatching, call tracking, reporting, and operational visibility. If you manage multiple crews and high job volume, the investment can pay off. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many business owners focus only on scheduling. That's a mistake. The real value comes from follow-up automation. Let's say Jake receives an estimate after water damage. If he doesn't respond immediately, your CRM should automatically send reminders, follow-up messages, and status updates. Those automated touchpoints can significantly improve conversion rates without adding extra work. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between these systems. First, look for 5 essential features. Fast lead capture, automated follow-up, dispatch management, mobile access for field technicians, and reporting that shows where your jobs and revenue are coming from. This is where most people fail. They buy software based on price instead of workflow. A cheaper CRM that creates delays often costs far more in lost jobs. The easiest way to decide is simple. If you're a small or growing restoration company, prioritize ease of use and fast setup. If you're scaling rapidly and managing larger teams, focus on automation, reporting, and operational control. To summarize, the best CRM for water damage restoration businesses in 2026 is the one that helps you respond faster, manage crews efficiently, and convert more emergency leads into paying customers. Features matter, but speed and execution matter even more. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software guides, and leave a comment with the CRM you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.